Hello and welcome to Kazar's Costume Countdown for World Book Day. Are you a primary school teacher and stuck for ideas? We've got the perfect list for you. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out how to get a 100% refund on your order. The Burglar. Now, this costume can be worn by men or women and can be for characters such as Burglar Bill or Gangster Granny. The costume includes a black and white striped top, a black eye mask and a swag bag. Now, you can always add a curly grey wig or maybe even some black gloves to make this costume the real character. The next costume is everyone's favourite. Where's Wally? This costume is great because it can just be worn with your favourite pair of jeans. The costume includes a red and white striped top, bobble hat and pair of glasses. Everyone will be trying to spot you in the classroom this World Book Day. You're going to be looking supercalifragilisticexpialidocious in this Mary Poppins costume. This costume is perfect if you love to go all out with accessories. It includes a blue jacket, blue skirt, black bowler hat with flowers on, Mary Poppins bag, white gloves and a red bow tie. Now grab your umbrella and get ready to fly into the school playground. Now we're off to find the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Yes, you've got that right. This next costume is Dorothy. The costume includes a blue and white gingham dress with two red big buttons and hair bows. Everybody loves this costume because they pair it with a dog and basket. This costume is going to get all the kids excited because they can meet little Toto. Now grab your basket and skip along to Granny's house. This costume is a firm favourite with teachers who want to go for the simple look. It includes a beautiful long red velour robe and a red gingham basket. We love to add the wolf soft toy for that extra cuteness. Oompa Loompa, dee-dee-dee-doo. Did you guess who it is? Yes, it's the Oompa Loompas. Now everybody loves these orange cult classic characters. Teachers often find that they like to dress up together as a group, so this costume is perfect. It includes a long sleeve brown t-shirt, white dungarees with big brown buttons, a green wig and orange face paint. Now on to the next one. Do you want to become the good witch from Room on the Broom? Then we have the costume for you. This costume includes a black velour cape, a purple polka dot skirt, a red plait wig, a witch's hat, and of course, a broom. You'll be whizzing around the classroom in this classic character costume. The Highway Rats, the rats of the highway. Now this character has taken the book scene by storm. You really can't go wrong with this costume because you can simply wear your regular clothes and then add on the black cape, the tricorn hat, the black eye mask, the foil sword and the rat nose. This costume is great because it's unisex. Now let's go to the next costume. Supertato! Do you want to be a hero to all the kids in class? This Supertato costume is perfect because it's a really unique costume. It comes with a red cape, a black eye mask, a black belt and orange gloves. Oh, I think some broccoli needs saving. Wingardium Leviosa. It's time to become everybody's favourite, Harry Potter. I love this costume. It simply comes with the black robe with red inner lining and school badge. What's great is you can add any colour scarf or tie to become your favourite house. My favourite, Slytherin. Add a wand and glasses to give you that real Gryffindor look. Check out our site to find more characters from the wizarding world. Thanks for watching and we hope it helped you find the perfect costume for World Book Day.
Don't forget, if you find a golden ticket in your order, follow the instructions and you could win a full refund. Terms and conditions apply. See the website for full details.